Maldonado from Ampronix, and I am the QC service manager here. And today I'm going to show you guys the different features that the MDT1900 for the G Precision 500 system. So with the left arrow, you can access the different types of modes. So right here we have user mode. We push it again, we get DICOM mode. And then again we have CL mode, which is a black and white feature, and BL mode for a blue tint feature. And there's also this LB mode, which is for lightbox, and for this you can use an X-ray film and put it over the monitor to actually see the X-ray film. This is a feature that can be accessed through the left arrow. So to get out of this feature, all you have to do is hit the left arrow and you will be back to user mode and you can see the live video.